biggest tropical storm in decades.
And lucky for you, I brought home a whole bag of berry fruit.
Yeah, just be happy I made him put the pelican back.
Guys, that mission was the finest use of bionics to date. I think we can all agree that strength plus speed equals success.
Excuse me. Let's not forget the mastermind behind this entire thing.
Oh, right. Let's give it up for our fearless leader, Mr. Davenport. Woo!
What? No, I was talking about me. I supervised the whole mission.
Yeah, but I think we all know who did the heavy lifting. Well, I'll give you a hint. It starts with an A, ends with an M. There's a big duh in the middle. Okay, guys, it's me.
Please, the real work happens up here.
Chase, no offense, but your bionic brain is no match for our hustle.
And muscle.
That is a great team name. Hustle, muscle, and Justle. Don't worry, we'll find you an hustle.
I'm so tired of these two getting all the attention because they have super speed and super strength. I never get any of the credit.
That is not true, Chase. They just have a lot of flash. But you're the glue that holds that flash together. You're flash glue.
I'm flash glue.
Hey, I think I figured it out. You're right, Chase. The real work does happen up there.
The world's first bionic superhumans. They're stronger than us, faster, smarter. The next generation of the human race is...
Living in my basement?